Your LG S60TR soundbar powers on normally, but the bass subwoofer or rear speakers produce no sound at all. Sometimes only the main soundbar works, while the rear speakers stay silent even during movies or surround sound content. This issue is usually caused by wireless pairing problems, incorrect audio settings, connection interruptions, or sound mode configuration errors instead of damaged speakers. In many situations, the subwoofer and rear speakers simply lose synchronization with the main soundbar and need to reconnect properly. Before assuming the speaker hardware has failed, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore sound from the bass and rear speakers again. 1. Turn off the LG S60TR soundbar, subwoofer, and rear speaker kit completely. 2. Disconnect power from all speaker units for several minutes. 3. Plug the devices back in and wait for the wireless pairing lights to stabilize. 4. Check that the subwoofer and rear speakers show connected indicator lights. 5. Open the soundbar audio settings and enable surround or rear speaker output. 6. Increase rear and bass speaker levels using the soundbar remote controls. 7. Play surround sound content and confirm audio comes from every speaker properly.